Access nested dictionary items via a list of keys. I have a complex dictionary structure which I would like to access via a list of keys to address the correct item. Or, I have made the following code which works, but I'm sure there is a better and more efficient way to do this if anyone has an idea.
Use reduce to traverse the dictionary. And reuse getFromDict to find the location to store the value for set and dite. All but the last element in MapleList is needed to find the parent dictionary to add the value to, then use the last element to set the value to the right key. Demo. Note that the Python PEP 8 style guide prescribes snake_case names for functions. The above works equally well for lists or a mix of dictionaries and lists, so the name should really be get_by_path and set_by_path. And for completion's sake, a function to delete a key.
It seems more Pythonic to use a for loop. See the quote from What's New in Python 3.0. Remove reduce. Use funktools.reduce if you really need it. However, 99% of the time an explicit for loop is more readable. Note that the accepted solution doesn't set non-existing nested keys, it raises key error. Using the approach above will create non-existing nodes instead. The code works in both Python 2 and 3.
Using reduce is clever, but the opset method may have issues if the parent keys do not pre-exist in the nested dictionary. Since this is the first SO post I saw for this subject in my Google search, I would like to make it slightly better. The set method in setting a value in a nested Python dictionary given a list of indices and value seems more robust to missing parental keys. To copy it over. Also, it can be convenient to have a method that traverses the key tree and get all the absolute key paths, for which I have created. One use of it is to convert the nested tree to a pandas data frame, using the following code, assuming that all leaves in the nested dictionary have the same depth.
This library may be helpful, this URL. A Python library for accessing and searching dictionaries via ///paths allaspath. Basically it lets you glob over a dictionary as if it were a file system.